Why do 80% of African legends revolve around monarchs? Because they were the heartbeat of nations. From the sunlit lands of Egypt to the rich soils of Mali, African monarchs ruled with wisdom and strength. They weren't just leaders, they were symbols of culture, religion, and community. Take Queen Nzinga of Angola, a fierce warrior who fought colonial forces with unmatched resilience. Or Ya Asantewa, the dynamic queen mother of the Ashanti Empire, who led her people in the War of the Golden Stool. These queens championed culture and education, ensuring their legacies lived on. Today, their spirit endures, reminding us of Africa's rich history and the power of its leadership. As modern Africa rises, these stories ignite pride and unity, guiding us into the future. Celebrate the strength, wisdom, and courage of Africa's legendary rulers.